Hi guys, welcome to the FullStackSDET channel. So in this video, I'm going to talk about another method that is enabled method. So isEnabled method is like it is also a Boolean method like the previous one, right? Which selected, right? So basically, this method what it does is like it checks for the status whether the element is enabled or not. Because there can be scenario like we are performing some action and before performing the action it is not going to be enabled, so we have to ensure like some of the web element action has to happen, and then only the some other web element is getting activated. So this method is basically useful in that particular scenario to check whether the web element is enabled or not. If it is not enabled, then it is going to return as false. If it is enabled, it is going to return as true. So let's try to understand this using this particular example, right? So I'll say like a system out dot println, and then I'll say username dot is enabled. So let us see if this username field is enabled or not. Likewise, let me quickly check it for password field, because sometimes what happens is like in the real time, some of the fields or some of the web element is disabled. So in that scenario, we have to particularly use this method to check their status, right? And based on that, we have to perform the required operation there, right? Let's run it and see if it is returning true or false. All right, so you can see like let's return true for both the web element, but there can be some of the examples in which the web elements might not be enabled, right? And before and unless and until we perform some action, it is not going to be enabled. So that's how it works actually. So that's all in this video about this method. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.